Alright, so today I'm going to do an example from 5E, matrix multiplication, and I'm doing question 4B, which is doing a matrix multiplication without using the graphics calculator. So the first step you need to do is determine whether you can multiply the matrices or not. So you need to write the order of the matrices. So for this first one, we've got two rows here. And it's got two columns, 1, 2. So the order of this one is 2 by 2. And the next one, we've got two rows, because rows always go first, by one column. Okay, so from doing that, because we have the inside numbers are the same, that means we can multiply, which is good. And the 2 and the 1 tells us that our answer is going to give us a matrix with the order 2, 1. So we can expect our answer to have 2 rows and 1 column. That's what those mean. Okay, so now we actually get into multiplying. So let's go with the green. Okay, equals. We need to find this element, the first element here. Okay, to find that element, you get the first row and the first column. Okay, and you need to multiply the corresponding elements and add them together. So for this one, you need to go 8 times 7 plus 4 times 2. Okay, that's your first element. Your second element, which will go yellow, okay, to do this one, you need to do, so that'll be your second row multiplied by your first column. Okay, so you need to go 5 times 7 plus 9 times 2. Okay, so you just work out those basic arithmetic expressions. So we've got 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 times 2 is 8, and 5 times 7 is 35, plus 9 times 2 is 18. Okay, just do those basic additions. We'll get 64 and 53. Okay, and that's your answer. So, I guess the hardest part is knowing which parts to multiply together. What we could have had a look at is, if I got rid of this, okay, inside we're trying to find x, oops, and this is row 1, column 1, and we're trying to find this one, and it's row 2, column 1. Okay, so before, when we did this row by this column, okay, that's because we're looking at the first row of the first matrix and the first column of the second matrix. Okay, that's what that shows. And then below, where you go the second row of the first matrix and the first column of the second matrix, which is what we've done. Okay, so that can always show you which rows and columns to be multiplying together. It does take a little bit, but practice makes perfect with this one.